that is a GT500. That ruby red is amazing. Oh, this is a lineup.
I should literally just put on my orange. Hey, can you keep your fingers on the car, please? I just watched you touch it 3 times. Touch it one more time.
Alright, so we parked the Mustang right here. Okay, that is officially the loudest car here. Oh my gosh! That vibrated my entire body. Somebody's making noise over here. Oh, there he is. Oh, it's a GT500. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I don't know if it's a GT500 or if it's just the front bumper, but we're about to find out. Ooh, it's orange with white stripes. Damn, that front bumper is so nice. And I believe there's a Shelby GT350 right behind it. Oh, that is a GT500. It's badass. This Camaro.
Oh, I'm pretty sure that's that kid with the V6.
No, it's the V8 one.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Oh, by the way, that was a V8 too.
Was it?
Yeah.
I saw the RS symbol in the back of it, so I'm pretty sure it was a
No, I heard him downshift in the video. It's a V8.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Camaro. And a Ford meet.
Nobody's gonna see me back. He's like, well, do you think the TV next to the Cadillac?
No. What's up, brother?
We were aired up all the way.
Was that him?
Yeah, it's him. No,
Oh.
Brian.
Oh. I'm like, wait, what? Dude, I thought it was him for a second. Here we go. That is loud. I'm glad I was not behind there. Oh my gosh! That ruby red is amazing. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, that is the loudest car so far. Did he just go in a circle? That Ford, oh, I was about to say, he took his spot.
Hey, can you keep your fingers on the car, please? I just watched you touch it 3 times. Touch it one more time.
I didn't touch it.
I'm just letting you know.
I just pointed at it. I didn't touch it.
I don't give a shit. Don't touch it. Just thought of this goes. He said, alright, honey.
Damn, another GT500. This is insane. What is that? 3 or 4 right here? We got 1, 2, and 3 sitting right there. We got a right-hand drive 300ZX. Ooh.
Oh, he's coming this way. Oh, park next to me, fucker.
Lighter burnt my eardrums.
No, I know you're nobody.
Do it again. You do realize I have to blur that out.
Why?
Three GT500's. This is badass. Oh, this is a lineup. Alright, now they're getting all the Shelbys up here. We got the GT350's up here now.
I should literally just pull my orange car right here, so it would be like a what's that? What's the
pretty sick right there. Everybody who is here, standing right there. Seriously, give me an ad.
We're going to Five Guys.
Five Guys.
The closest one to here.
Oh, that GT500 is still revving. Thing sounds so good. This is so sick. Shelby GT500 2020. This thing is so clean. GT350 Pro Charge D1. Sounds so good.
Iconic silver, my boss. I would give it a go. I just don't want to pay.
Oh, here we go.